On.
Hello, people of the internet. I am the people of. I am Little Gamer, and today we're playing Will You Press the Button. First, you have an unlimited supply of cash, but you'll lose your feet. Obviously, unlimited supply of cash, which means you can buy bionicle feet. So yeah, press the button. Come on, someone's got. Wow, 23 people. Thousand, sorry, 23,000. Will you press the button? Every animal loves you, but every human hates you. I mean, yeah, I would love to have animals appreciation, but humans is better. What? Oh wait, here, did not. Like what? You can eat food and never become obese. What does that mean? Obese. That's so weird. Obesity, a disorder involving. Oh, you'll never get fat. Could have just said that. You'll not have any teeth. I'm gonna go with a no. How am I gonna eat that? Seriously. You idiots. 32%. That's so stupid. Punk is playing at your house. Your house. What? At your house, your house, but the entire town is invited, and there's free alcohol and drugs for everyone. Woo! Hope you've got insurance. Yeah, I'm not gonna risk that. Plus, I don't even listen to Daft Punk. No, seriously, guys, I seriously don't. Ah, you may fly. Well, be like Superman. You may only fly nude and overpopulated areas. Keep in mind this will be very cold and humiliating. You're just making me say I will not. Seriously, fly? If I could fly to work, yeah, but I would have my uniform on. You get to meet any person who ever lived, but said person will hate you to the core forever after the meeting is finished. No. Let's see. Like grandma, but she hates. Yeah. You go back to your childhood with present mind and fix all of your mistakes. And go to school with your current knowledge. But you tremendously change your personal future no matter what. It's kind of obvious you might die or something, but you guys are idiots. You change your personal future, so that means you might not have a girlfriend. There are so many mites that you probably don't want to risk it. So yeah, you have the power to see through anything, but people in your field of vision can tell when you're using this power. It's not bad. Uh, well, I don't. Well, if I can't really put glasses on, that's it. I just put sunglasses on. Just put sunglasses on. Better than nothing. Ah, no, 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 no. No one said they knew they can notice us. What? Okay. You are the smartest person on the planet, but everyone thinks you're mentally handicapped and insane. Do not believe you. Well, everyone already thinks I'm mentally handicapped. Yeah, I ain't gonna do it. I'm not going to do it. Whatever. You are instantly able to teleport yourself onto any planet or moon and back in the solar system and outside of it. without any special suit or equipment needed. You breathe normally, but you can never tell anyone or you will lose the ability and one day randomly end up on a random world and get stuck there till you die from oxygen deprivation. You don't know what oxygen uh, oxygen deprivation is? It's when you die. Well, I'm going with oh yeah. It's easy to keep secret, but when your life is on the line, not that easy. Hey, what did I? Okay, I'm not. I'm not that. I'm not all that interested in that ability, anyways. If it were anywhere in space, I would get to see starry skies. Even the best photographers could only dream of capturing them. Maybe. Yeah, but putting your life on the line, it's pretty hard. You can survive in space and you are able to do long distance space travel, but you'll never ever see Earth or humanity again. No. Seriously, you wanna go out there? Check if there are life forms? Yeah, but you can't tell anyone else. Okay, last one. I think. No. Okay. You get to know the exact date of which you will die and how it happens. But there is nothing you can do to prevent it. You can already see that it is good death. Clock. Oh, how will I? Oh well, you guys are idiots, mate. You'll become the leader of the free world, but half of the world will hate you. I mean, I'm fine being myself. Okay, I don't know how many I've done. You will become the leader of the free world. Wait, you will win the Nobel Peace Prize, but you would have to French kiss your brother on sister. What is the Nobel Peace Prize? The Nobel Peace Prize is one of the 5 Nobel Prizes created by the Norwegian. Well, French kissing them is bad. Bad. Oh, the harder innovation. See Bionics. Okay. Yeah. You catch a shiny Pokemon. It disappears after a week. Yeah. If it's anything, wait, it disappears after a week. I'm trying to think of a loophole. Maybe I can trade it, right? Come on, think. No, not trade it. Maybe I can put it. No. What is Carlos? I'll catch it and yeah, trade it. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Idiot. Means press the button. Not. I will not. You receive $200, but you have to go to every game of your local WNBA. What's National Basketball Association? It's just $200. I don't really care. One more before my recording. Which is you could die with no pain and nobody would suffer from your life, but you die tomorrow. Nope. Well, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and goodbye.